Thank you, Jen. Now I would request Amrita to share the vote of thanks.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Honorable Miss Aparajita Sarangi, Honorable Dr. Yogesh Pratap Singh, respected panelists, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great privilege to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks for this event. I, Amrita P. Hegde, on behalf of organizing committee, would like to extend a hearty vote of thanks to Ms. Aparijita Sarangi, who helped us know about the importance of quality education. Thank you, ma'am, for taking time out of your busy schedule and joining us for this event. I would like to thank Dr. Yogesh Pratap Singh for taking his time from his busy schedule and attending this event and giving us knowledge about the RTE and telling us about the importance of fundamental right of education. I would like to thank Dr. Aruna Sri Lakshmi for giving us insight on the importance of social, ethical, and moral values. Ma'am gave us insight into the rights of the students. Thank you, ma'am, for taking time out of your busy schedule and attending the event. I would like to thank the panelists of today's event. I would like to thank Mr. Sandeep Joshi for joining the event with us and giving us insight on the Right to Education Act and National Education Policy and how efforts in education area can help in bringing enthusiasm and achieving the goals. He also focused on trying to find the solutions for the problems. I would like to thank Dr. Amit Chandra for bringing a different perspective on RTE Act and the implementation of RTE, which helped us to view RTE in a different perspective. Thank you, sir, for taking time from your busy schedule and attending the event. I would like to thank Ms. Asia Faruqi for throwing light on the importance of girls' education and how girls will achieve great heights with the help of society. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us and taking time from your busy schedule. I would like to thank Ms. Pragya Parijat Singh for bringing in the legal perspective of the RTE and girls' education, and also how existing laws can be amended for the benefit of public at large. Thank you, ma'am, for taking your time from the busy schedule and joining the event. I would like to thank Ms. Varsha Chabaria for taking time from her busy schedule and joining us for the event and giving us insights on the real situation of girls' education in rural areas, and also how community radio helps in bringing a positive change in the girls' education. I would like to thank Dr. Usha Khare for sharing her thoughts from her teaching life experience at various stages. It was a great experience to hear her stories. Ma'am, thank you. I would like to thank Mr. Umesh Kumar Shukla for sharing his thoughts on quality education about RTE and also the student-teacher ratio and positive impact in the enrollment of students. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank Deepa Idnani for telling us about the necessity of learning instead of mugging and how holistic development plays a very important role. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank Mr. Sant Kumar Sahni for giving insight on special attention to improve the challenges and also the implementation of special cells for holistic development of students with special needs. I would like to thank Dr. C. Ramamani Reddy for sharing his thoughts on how resources, community, teachers, and parents are important for bringing in quality education and inclusive education. How we have to take holistic approach in order to achieve inclusive education. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank Mr. Tapas Bharadwaj for sharing his insights on universal design for persons with disabilities for inclusive education. Also, how ACT can be amended in order to help special students and increase inclusive education. Thank you, sir, for taking time from your busy schedule and attending the event. I would like to thank Mr. Rajesh Lavania for sharing his experience on building the infrastructure for the school with the help of community and how school developed over the years with the help of community. Thank you, sir, for taking time from your busy schedule and attending this event. I would like to thank Mr. Ashok Agarwal for sharing his thoughts on how government plays a very important role in education, how government should take steps in order to improve the situation of education. Thank you, sir, for taking your time out of the busy schedule and attending the event. I would like to thank Sri Lalji Tiwari for sharing his thoughts on improving the education facilities with the help of community. However, everyone should take the responsibility for improving quality education. Thank you, sir, for taking your time from the busy schedule and attending the event. I would like to thank moderators Ms. Pooja Kumari, Ms. Soumya Rawat, Ms. Jagriti, Ms. Shreya Nakhade, Ms. Nikita, and Ms. Chandni Ahuja for moderating the session. I would like to thank the organizing committee, Legal Aid Society, for making this event successful. I thank Mr. Abhishek Ranjan for coming up with the idea of national conference and seeing to it that the event is conducted in a successful manner. I thank all the participants and our audience for being with us for the event today. Thank you everyone for being part of Virtual National Conference on 10 years of RTE. Thank you everyone and have a great day.
Super. I have nothing to add. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. बहुत टाइम आपने दिया है. अब आप सभी से विदा लेने का समय आ गया है. हम फिर से मिलेंगे किसी और नए इवेंट के साथ, किसी और नए इनिशिएटिव के साथ. आप सबका प्यार हमें मिलता रहे. लीगल एड सोसाइटी की पूरी टीम को, सरकारी स्कूल.in की पूरी टीम को मैं बहुत ही प्राउड फील कर रहा हूँ आप सभी पे. थैंक यू सो मच. इट वाज लाइक ए ड्रीम एंड सबने मिलकर उसे पूरा किया. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. बाय.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
everyone.
much. So much.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much.